Yeah, welcome back to Bear's Rod Shop, BRS here for August the 14th. And I've got a little quick project. It didn't really turn as quick as I thought it was going to. I thought I could knock it out a few hours yesterday. But I had to modify my old fixture from Tool Fest 2021 to fit in. Jim Barentine, a good friend of ours, is modifying a 8 3/4 rear end to go under a 30 oval window Plymouth or Dodge. I think it's a Dodge. Yeah, it's a Dodge. Kind of rare car. He asked me if I could take and increase these out to about 2 thou bigger so they would fit. Got me a little remnant here of the exact shaft. Got the shaft down here with me. It's a little over 1.25 inches. Now we got a non-interference slip. It's not maybe about 3 thou, but he's got a lot of myopathy in his wrist, and he's not really good shape, so he don't need to be trying to force things together. Anyhow, this jig worked out real well. I had these set screws in from last year, but I had to come in here, like I say, I had to open this up, my own fixture here. It's not gonna hurt anything. I can make another bushing later on. And I got a bronze bushing that now I'll have to remake. It goes in here. It's gonna be nice and soft for delicate work. But I have 6 altogether pieces. These 2 here will be sliding up on the outside of the banjo housing. And these will be down in there at the rear end. These are also made for the Dana, but he's got the 8 3/4. So this will line up when he cuts that banjo housing and shortens it or narrows it, then these fixtures go in. I'm not trying to advertise for these people, but it is the Leadman products, Leadman, and probably Jags or Summit Racing, could be Amazon, but anyhow, I'm not advertising for them. So if y'all running in the same issue, you go out to your local steel supplier and you get a piece of cold roll, the steel, thinking it's gonna fit, you're either gonna turn that shaft down or you're gonna have to buy a metric, a cold roll. But let's set this up. Here I'm up off the bottom a good 1/2 inch. I don't want to get that boring bar down through, even though I've got DRO here set. But all set at the right height and right depth. This was milled with and prepped to finish on a when I did the video, it is actually dead flat. Let's put this in here in the chuck. Let's stop this just a minute. I've got to open up the jaw. All right, let's see if we can get this old mill fired up here. Let's take us a small skim pass. I sure wish my Z was powered like Stefan's over there overseas. Gonna get it done one day, folks. As I can see right the side, there's Mooring bar goes through. I'm just not going to leave the DRO off for right now. I'm gonna back out under power. That way I don't I have to take the bit out. Got a brand new insert put in it this morning. Making some nice chips. It says we're good. Let's take this thing on up out of here. I have a longer extension over there. I don't know why. I got in a hurry this morning wanting to do the video. And I forgot to show you, yes, put in all the brass shims. Hopefully it don't mar up the LNR. It's not going to mar up the other pieces. Let's see if we can't back this camera out of here. All right, here's the dowel pin. Nice. Jim, I hope you're watching this, but actually I'm gonna take this next one and I'm gonna come out. These are the collars that lock. So the majority of them, I'm gonna come in about a 1.5 thou tighter. It don't have to be this loose for him. Let's put it over here on the shaft. Yep. So I'm gonna change up the plan, but here's the inside finish. Turned out really, I mean, that is a nice, beautiful finish. And then I'll hand do the chamfer because there's no sense in trying to worry about crushing this. Putting it up there and putting it in the lathe. All right, Bears Rod Shop. One thing about October's coming up, which is Emma's spare room machine shop is putting on October 1, and that's going to be with the hashtag, and that's going to be Roughcut2022. Let's all help Emma promote this, and let's get us a project made. I have lots going on. Let me move this camera back here a minute. In the process of vacating the house, of course, you know, when you live with a bride 50 years, you accumulate half your in-laws and outlaws furniture and keepsakes, and fixing to liquidate all the complete furniture. Gonna move over here, and there's 2 rooms in the back. Used to be my paint room. It's gonna end up being my apartment. And rent the house out so I can afford the Bears Rod Shop to stay here. With all this inflation and recession that's going on, it is just killing everybody, even the working class. And you know, us that are retired and depend on a small little Social Security check, it is rough. And I'm going to say it that loudly because come November, I have made my vote, and let's see if the House and Senate cannot be flipped and this country get back into shape it was in before this administration came in. I'm not political. I'm not going to get a bunch of people knocking on my door threatening me from our government or whatever, but it is wrongful, the way that this country has been run. And we want to wish everybody well. Thanks for all the outpouring. Maddie, I sent you, I think, a little email. Yes, I did. Thanks for the beautiful postcard there of down there in South Wales. That is beautiful. And then at the end of your video that you did yesterday or day before, you showed the sunset over the ocean. That was really awesome. So thanks, Maddie. Thanks to all my viewers and subscribers. Please contribute to all that I sub to. Everyone, we've got Chuck over at Outside Screwball. We've got Joe Pye, Brian and Marie Hayner in Metal Shaper. It goes on and on and on. DJ over Falkenberger's Foblin Coblin. I think I got it right this time, DJ. Hope so. But yeah, this is going to be a real fun event October 1. So get your plans ready. We've got plenty of time right now. Rough Cut with the hashtag Roughcut2022. Let's support Emma. May God bless. Bears Ride Shop. We're out of here for August the 14th.